friends, we'll be studying about the femoral triangle, a very important topic asked for 10 mark question. It is repeatedly asked, so please do study this question. It's quite easier question. So what is femoral triangle? So femoral triangle is a subfacial space. It is a kind of triangular space which is found in front of the thigh. You can see it like on the anterior surface of the thigh. It is a subfacial triangle. It is having a base, apex, lateral side, medial side, floor, roof. If this is a normal triangle, the femoral triangle is somewhat like this. The base is directed upwards and the apex is directed downwards. It is having a lateral side, a medial side, a roof and a floor. So we'll study about all its parts. So it is a subfacial triangle. So where is it present? On the anterior aspects of front of thigh. Okay, apex is downwards, base is upwards. So finally we'll see about the boundaries of the femoral triangle. A very important boundaries of triangle. Boundaries of the triangle. We'll draw a rough diagram so that we'll understand it in a better way. Okay, look at this, watch it correctly. This is the inguinal ligament. Base, it is the base, inguinal ligament. You can see here okay, you can see, as you can see in the diagram, this is medial border of the sartorius muscle. Sartorius muscle we have already learnt in the previous video. Medial border of sartorius muscle. Okay, we will see about, this is the lateral border, we will see the medial border. Okay, this is the medial border of the adductor longus. Medial border of adductus longus muscle. Okay, so this is the femoral triangle. You can see the femoral triangle here. Yeah, so this is the apex directed downwards, the base is directed upwards, the lateral border and the medial border. It also has a roof as well as the floor. See it properly. The apex, okay, we'll start from the base. The base is made up of the inguinal ligament. The lateral border is made up of the medial border of sartorius muscle. The medial border is made up of the medial border of the adductor longus muscle. The apex is formed, you can see the apex is formed by the meeting of the medial border of sartorius muscle as well as the medial border of adductor longus. It is formed by the meeting of these two muscles. It consists of a floor as well as the roof. First we'll write these many points, then I'll be showing the diagram of floor. So first is the base. Base is formed by the inguinal ligament. Next comes the lateral side. What is there in the lateral side? There is medial border of Sartorius, medial border of Sartorius. Then on the medial side, there is medial border Adductor longus. Finally, the apex, which is downwards, is formed by the meeting of these two muscles. I'll write it as meeting of the two muscles. Meeting of S and A, Sartorius and Adductor longus muscles. Next, we'll see about the floor of the femoral triangle with the help of a diagram. So next is the floor. So floor, this is the inguinal ligament. It is a gutter shaped muscle. So it is a gutter shaped muscle. There are four main muscles, as you can see in the diagram. There are four main muscles. Wait, I'll draw a rough diagram so that you'll understand in a better way. Okay, it is formed by the four muscles. It is a gutter shaped muscular structure which passes from medial to lateral side. So there are four main muscles involved. So the first one, the floor is formed. First one is iliacus muscle. The first one is the iliacus muscle. Second one is the psoas major muscle. Psoas major muscle. And the third one is pectineus muscle. The third one is the pectineus muscle. And finally, the fourth muscle is the adductor longus muscle. Adductor longus muscle. So it is mainly formed from the floor is formed from the four muscles: iliacus muscle, psoas major muscle, pectineus muscle, as well as the adductor longus muscle. The roof is formed from the fascia lata, and the roof is mainly covered by the superficial fascia and the skin. So we'll write all these points. We'll write all these points in detail. The floor is formed from the four muscles: iliacus, psoas major muscle, pectineus muscle, as well as the adductor longus muscle. We'll write the roof. Remember one point: the floor is a gutter shaped muscular in nature. It is gutter shaped muscular in nature, crossing from medial to lateral. Medial to lateral, you can see these four muscles present. Next, in the roof, you can see covered by skin and superficial fascia. There is also fascia lata and cribriform fascia. So these are the structures which are present on the roof as well as floor. Next, we'll move on towards the contents. What is it having? So it has femoral artery and its branches, femoral veins, And femoral nerve, van. It has van, femoral artery, femoral vein, femoral nerve. All these three topics are very, very, very important. 10-mark question, 10-mark question, and veins is usually asked for 5 marks. So these are the contents. It also have some lymph nodes. We'll speak about the lymph nodes. So it has a deep inguinal lymph node. It has a deep inguinal lymph node, and the extra point, it has lateral cutaneous nerves of thigh. It also has lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh. So that's it about this video. This was about the femoral triangle, a very important question. You have to know its floor, boundaries, roof, content, lymph nodes, etc. In the next video, detailedly we'll be studying about the femoral artery, femoral vein, femoral nerve. Femoral artery and its branches are very important. Femoral vein and its tributaries are also important. Femoral nerve is usually asked for 10 marks. Give preference for the first and the last topic. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.